So I haven't done an update on the 68 Camaro for a while, so here it is. Honestly, I've been kicking butt on it non-stop trying to get it painted before the weather turns here in the Northeast. So here it is. Today is paint day. Almost 2 years to the day since I got this thing. And today is the day. New quarters, door skins, inner outer rockers. I'd already had reproduction fenders and hood. Got a new header panel, original lower valance, one reproduction fender extension, one original fender extension, new trunk floor, original deck lid, new rear deck filler panel. I had to replace both the front and rear window channels. Full floor. So, been a crap load of work. And like I said, I've been busting ass trying to get this thing ready for paint. I took a week off from work as the weather is changing quick. It was in the 50s, high 50s past 5 days. Today it's going to be 66 and sunny, so today is the day. Got it all masked up, cleaned. Just got to finish cleaning my garage out, pull the convertible out. Yeah, get the floor cleaned up, get it up on jack stands, take the wheels off, and get ready to go. This is my 68 here. I painted this in the same garage, full restoration. Painted it in here maybe 2012, I think. Still looks really good. So hoping this one comes out as good as this one did.